Good morning, Jamaican. Good morning. What's up? Better. Need it? I don't need it. A message that I have for you all Jamaicans. Leave England. Enjoy life when it's there. Cause when you're gone, you can enjoy it. This goes also our personal loss. Good follow. I mean, loss of a loved one. Or loss of someone that mean the world to them. Goes up. Yeah. So, just to be sure, you understand. Hope you do. Hope you understand. You can see me. But imagine if you could not see someone and you just keep on hearing these. I hope the best for you. Hope that you live your life well. Hope that your world will not be clouded as you can see now. Hope that you will understand what life brings before you're gone. Hope you will see the appreciation of life itself before there's only a closing door. Hope that when time, I was playing a video on WhatsApp and WhatsApp? Yeah, WhatsApp, yeah, Facebook. No, sorry, not WhatsApp. It was Facebook, and I was saying to myself, saw the picture of the party pass out on a girl page, and I was saying, that's sad to know that that party went out and that was sad. But I was saying that it could be a cousin, could be a man, but and I realized it was somebody close to her. And she rated to the point. Them 40 about that. Some more, you know. So I owe you. You come to our boss, I give you 40. Yeah, so the media. Yeah. So you understand life. So no, no, no. No. So you understand? They're talking about food around there. Yeah, I go to have some food in there, but I'm hungry. And I just wake up. Yeah. So what I'm really saying is that someone that has listened onto you is that you need to put yourself out so that someone else out there can understand that you have did something. You need people to understand. Knowing the facts that you're a child and you lost someone that's mean to you, they need to comfort you, they need to guide you, and they need to help you along the journey. But if they are not doing those things to help us, someone has lost in their loved one, what's the point of knowing that they lost it and you rub it in their face? Because the person who lost a father, and that person you keep on saying to him that, and you were saying to them, so I will go, you know? Tune in next time. And youths need to uplift themselves, lift it wisely and understand. And if you do love someone, you're sorry that you lost someone, you're sorry that you lost a loved one, who goes out and we keep on understanding that. It's the way of life. So, peace out, cool.